Hi everyone, this is Palak from the Weave Tale and welcome back to our channel. It feels so nice to communicate with you all. The love that you're giving to our channel is immense and I'm full of gratitude for that. So this video is extremely special because I'm introducing a very new collection for the first time in 2024. This is the weave that I started my work with 3 years back. एंड जो लोग मुझे पहले से फॉलो कर रहे हैं वो समझ ही गए होंगे ये कौन सी वीव है. इट्स इकत फ्रॉम पोचमपल्ली एंड एक बहुत ही स्पेशल एपिसोड है ये बिकॉज आई एम री लॉन्चिंग माई सिल्क कॉटन सूट सेट्स. I got immense love for that collection and I thought that New Year में मेरे birthday month में I have to bring out the best for you guys. So for the first time on the Weave Tales channel, it's ikat in silk cotton. All the pieces, before starting with the collection, मैं थोड़े से points repeat करती हूँ. We accept only prepaid orders, phone pay, GPay, bank transfer, anything is possible. We ship worldwide, so in case you want to get delivery anywhere around the world, it is possible. We usually dispatch the piece within 24 hours of placing the order and 5 to 7 working days लगते हैं आप तक आपका order पहुँचने में. To place an order, all you have to do is send a screenshot of the piece that you like on the number mentioned below and our team will get in touch with you. उसके बाद कुछ formalities, details वगैरह लेंगे आपसे and the order will be processed. It's that simple. So without wasting any further time, let me start with the video. These are authentic hand woven pieces which I'm opening in front of you as in how I have received it from my weaver. And the first is a very beautiful peacock color with the magenta combination. So the fabric is silk cotton and the weave is jamdani. ये आप first wash dry clean करवाइएगा, उसके बाद आप home wash इसे कर सकते हैं. This is how the shirt piece looks like. The top piece you are getting 2.5 meters, so as the dupatta and so as the bottom shirt piece bottom. So total आपको 7-7.5 मीटर कपड़ा मिल रहा है unstitched piece. So dupattas and shirt, this is how I'm going to show all the pieces एक एक करके because they are that lovely that each piece deserves its own time. This is how the full set looks like. Peacock के साथ magenta pink का combination. It's a lovely combination and the price is just 2599. It's all weaving, it's all hand done, it's done on loom from Telangana and it's both season. आप दोनों seasons में इसे पहन सकते हैं. Please do notice कि हमने नीचे सारे tassel enhancements करवा लिए हैं and this zari has its own beauty. ये जो आप सारा सब कुछ देख रहे हैं, it's all weaving. Nothing is printed, it's all weaving. And the price is just 2599. This is how the bottom looks. So एक पीस में समझा देती हूँ आपको. जो शर्ट का कलर होगा वो दुपट्टे में नीचे बॉर्डर के साइड में मिलेगा एंड जो बॉटम का कलर होगा वो डोमिनेंट कलर होगा आपके दुपट्टे का. So the price is again repeating the price 2599. Opening the second piece in front of you again. Beautiful mehendi with another combination of similar magenta. So again I'm repeating, Weave Tale is known to spoil its customers with choices. तो मैं बहुत ही सारे combinations लेकर आई हूँ इस बार. This is how the shirt piece looks like. ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना bread bake हो गई. It looks lovely, fresh out of the oven. It's the same with these suit sets जैसे जैसे मैं open कर रही हूँ. This is how the bottom fabric looks and ये इसका दुपट्टा है, 2-tone दुपट्टा. ईद आ रही है, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस पीस फॉर दैट. आप इसमें प्लाजो बनवा सकते हैं, पैंट्स बनवा सकते हैं एंड द पीस विल लुक स्टनिंग बिकॉज इसका फैब्रिक इज द हाईलाइट. द प्राइस इज जस्ट 2599. ऑल यू हैव टू डू. अच्छा मैं इसमें रिपीट करती हूँ, सारे पीसेस में फ्रंट और बैक दोनों साइड ही ये ब्रॉड इकत का बॉर्डर होगा. Price is just 2599. पिंक्स दिखा दिए. हाउ कैन आई मिस पर्पल. आई रिमेंबर जब मैंने अपना द वीव टेल स्टार्ट किया था, and it was, this piece was among the few of the pieces that I got. This combination was loved immensely at that time, and it feels so nice to bring it back for you all. This is how the shirt piece looks like. एंड इसका कॉम्बिनेशन बनाया है ग्रे के साथ. ऑल क्रेडिट फॉर दीज लवली कॉम्बिनेशन goes to our weavers and artisans from Telangana, Pochampally, who work day and night to give us the best of the pieces. This is how the piece looks. Silk cotton is the fabric, weave is the ikat, and price is just 2599. Combination is grey and purple. First wash I would request कि आप ड्राई क्लीन करवाएं, उसके बाद यू कैन गेट मशीन वॉश, हैंड वॉश, कुछ भी. नाउ पिंक के साथ एक कॉम्बिनेशन, एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी फ्यूजन, वेरी डिफरेंट, बिकॉज इट्स विद अ ग्रीन एंड अ वेरी डिफरेंट कलर ग्रीन. सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस बहुत थॉटफुली बनाए गए हैं, सबकी डिमांड, सबकी लाइकिंग्स को माइंड में रखते हुए बनाए हैं. This is how the shirt looks like, and it's paired with this green. I'm opening all the pieces for you all because I want to show, this is the first time ये जब channel पे आ रहे हैं, and I want to give a look of every lovely piece that we have got for you. This is how the combination looks like, and price is just 2599. Coming to the next piece, it's again a pink, but a different pink with blue. This also I remember, ये भी बहुत टाइम पहले आया था, and pink and blue का combination बहुत लव किया गया था. So आप अगर इस कलेक्शन में नोटिस करेंगे, या मेरी सारी कलेक्शंस में नोटिस करेंगे, I try to bring a lot of variety in terms of colors also. I don't want you to restrict with basic greens, blues and blacks in hand woven articles. So experiment करते रहते हैं न्यू combination के साथ. You give us the inspiration, you give us the motivation to work harder and smarter. So all credits to you too. This is how the lovely combination looks like, and price is just 2599. Blue with pink combination. Coming to the next one, it's a green, mehndi green to be precise, with the electric blue or purplish blue. This is how the shirt piece looks like. Do notice the zari, do notice the weaving. This is the combination with this. And this is the dupatta. This is how the full combination looks like, and the price is just rupees 2599. Coming to the next combination, I'm going to bring another green, but the reason I'm showing one family of colors is that कि मैं आपको ये दिखा रही हूँ कि सारे greens जो है वो भी बहुत different है. No two greens are similar, and this is जो दाल चावल combination कहते हैं ना, the basic, it's green with the red. Best for festivities, best for small gatherings. This is how the red looks like. Very versatile. ये सब पे ही अच्छा लगता है, ये कलर, ये टोन. It's an evergreen piece, evergreen green piece. So this is how the combination looks like. The price is just 2599. After one dry clean, you can get it home washed, machine washed or dry clean, anything. So pink के साथ blue combination दिखाया था, जिसमें pink was the top fabric that you are getting. इसमें I'm going to show a blue and pink, जिसमें blue का top fabric that you are getting. This is how the shirt piece looks like, and इसके साथ ही मिल रहा है आपको bottom. And this is the dupatta. This is the full look of the combination. Weave is ikat and back in front में फिर से repeat कर रही हूँ, आपको दोनों side में ये border मिलेगा, ikat का border मिलेगा. And the next is again a very classic combination, a combination that I really like, green and orange. Every age group looks lovely in this. सब पे अच्छा लगता है. Everyone loves it, whatever age group you are. This is the green, a very subtle green, not the loud one. And this is the orange that is paired with this. This is how the dupatta looks like. This is the full look of the combination that we have got, a very unique, very different, very versatile combination. Orange bhi hai, it's not a very loud orange, very subtle orange with the green, and very eye soothing. And the price is just rupees 2599. Ending it with the last piece for this episode. अच्छा मैं रिपीट कर दूँ, इन सब के सिंगल पीसेस ही अवेलेबल है. सो प्लीज़ डोंट वेट फॉर any time, any month. As soon as you see the video, like any piece, just send it on the number mentioned below, or do let us know. This, see, a very different pink, सबसे different pink ही आया है. And hand woven fabrics का ना आपको खुद से पता चल जाएगा just by it looks. This is the bluish tone bottom that you are getting, and this is the dupatta. This is the overall look of the piece, and the price is just rupees 2599. Weave is cotton and fabric is silk cotton. Ending the video now. So these are the new combinations, new weave that we have introduced on our channel, and I would like to again thank you for all the love and support that you give to the Weave Tale. Again, I request you to please like, share and subscribe, and please do comment on how you like our products or what do you want to see next. We do read all the comments, and yeah, thank you so much.